Hello, grade 2. Good morning. All right. So it's our second day of class, this second day of video. So let's have our math. So for our math, our topic is multiplying with arrays. Okay, so what is this all about? What is multiplying with arrays? So as you can see, we have here the columns and rows. Okay, so these are stamps. Okay, they are arranged in array. Okay, an array shows objects in equal rows and equal columns. Okay, so six rows and three columns. So how many stamps we have there in all? Okay, to show the array shows 6 rows and 3 columns. So you are going to multiply it. 6 rows times 3 columns equals, so you can count everything. Okay, so it is 18, or 6, 12, 18. There are 6 rows. Okay, 6 times 3 equals 18. All right, so let's try if it is really 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so it's so easy multiplying with arrays. You are just gonna copy the rows. How many rows? 6 times 3 columns, and the answer, the total. Okay po? Now, I have here another example. So, how many rows we have here? Correct. It is 2. And then, how many columns? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, how many badminton racket? Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Alright? Okay, next example. So, how many rows? Let's count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 4 rows of 6. And then if we count everything, the answer is 24. So 4 times 6 equals 24. Alright? Now, last example. How many rows? Of course, it's only 1. And then how many columns? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 rows of 9 is equal to 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. It's so easy, huh? Just count the rows and then the columns, and then for you to get the answer, you can count everything. Okay po? So, get your math book. Please get your math book. Open it on page 142. Okay? So, this one, how many rows? Can you please count? Okay, write your answer here. Now, how many columns? Let's count. Very good. Write it here. And then, for the answer, count everything. The answer, for you to get the answer, count. Alright, very good. You're done with the number 1. It's easy. Now, let's go to number 2. How many rows? Let's count. Ready, go. Put it here. Now, how many columns? Let's count. Ready, go. Now put it here. And then count everything to get the answer. Go. Alright, for the last number, number 3, how many rows? Let's count. Next, how many columns? Let's count. Put it here and then count everything for you to get the answer. Alright, next, let's have, you can close your book first. Let's proceed to our next topic, which is commutative property of multiplication. Remember, we have also the commutative property of addition, right? Now also, we have a commutative property of multiplication. So, we have here the box A, and this is the box B. So, for the box A, we have 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? For box B, this time we have 6 rows and 5 columns. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, we'll proceed here. 5 times 6 equals 30. If you count all of these cards, they are 30. And then here, 6 times 5 is also 30. Remember, the commutative property of addition, if we exchange the numbers, the answer is still the same. As you can see here, 5 times 6, and here is 6 times 5. And the answer are the same. Okay? Now, the numbers we multiply are called factors. This one, the 5 and the 6 are factors, okay? And the answer in multiplication is called product. So the number 30 is called product. Why I'm going, it's here pala. Okay, the number 30 is product. So these are the factors. The number 6 and 5, they are the factors, the one that we multiply. And then the answer, we call it product. This one is product, okay? And thus, X means multiply, this one. Multiply. Or we say times. 6 times 5 or 5 times 6. Okay, and we can write multiplication in horizontal and vertical, like this or like this, right? Okay, so let's proceed. So, commutative property of addition states that if you change the order of the factors, the product or the answer is still the same. Like this one, 5 times 3. We have here 5 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 15. But on the other hand, on the other side, we change the order of the factors. The 3 now is front and the 5 now is on the second. 3 times 5, the answer is still the same, 15. Okay? As you can see, 5 here and then 3. Here, 3 and then 5. Right? Remember, in our addition also, we have our commutative property. So this time we just have the multiplication. Okay? 5 times 3 equals 15 and 3 times 5 is also equals to 15. Alright? Now, let's try this one. Okay? So how many rows? 1, 2. Alright, there. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so easy. Now, this. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 1, 2. Okay, so they are commutative property. And the answer is the same. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Huh? Okay, so this one is commutative property. Now, how many box here? We have 3. And how many bread in each box? We have 4. But on this side, the box now are 4 and the breads are 3. Okay? So 3 times 4 and 4 times 3, the answer is the same. Okay? Let's try. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 is also 12. They are commutative. Okay? Now, this time we are gonna have the rows. 2 rows of 3. So, it's already shaded. As you can see, 1, 2. Okay, there's a shade. 2 rows of 3. The answer is 6. And 3 rows of 2. The answer is also 6. So, 2 times 3 is equal 6. And 3 times 2 equals 6. Alright? Now, for our bookwork, open it on page 160. So this one is, you are going to shade the box. Okay, please get ready a color. Okay, get a color. So it says here you are going to color 4 rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 and then 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me ko na nga, help you first with this one. Okay, so 4 rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says here 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna color everything now. Okay, so after you color, you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 4 times 3 equals 12. Like that. Okay, so this one, answer it on your own. Okay, 3 rows, make color 3 rows first, and then 4 columns. Okay, and then write the answer. For you to get the answer, count the one that you color. All right, now if you're done, let's proceed to this one. 4 rows of 2 columns. Okay, color it, shade it, and then write your answer here. Okay, next here, you are going to only color 2 rows of 4 columns. 2 here, and then 4 here. Then shade and write your answer. Alright? So if you are not yet done, you can pause the video. So for those who are finished, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of pages 142 and 160, then send it in our class dojo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye guys!